How to practice gratitude for personal growth. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform our lives and bring us closer to our goals. By cultivating gratitude, we can improve our mental, emotional, and physical well-being, and attract more positivity into our lives. Here are some insights from personal development experts on the benefits of gratitude and how to practice it. Benefits of gratitude. Increases happiness. Gratitude is strongly associated with increased levels of happiness and life satisfaction. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our attention away from negative thoughts and feelings, and cultivate a more positive mindset. Improves relationships. Gratitude can also strengthen our relationships with others. By expressing gratitude to those around us, we can foster feelings of connection, trust, and appreciation, and create a more positive social environment. Reduces stress and anxiety. Gratitude can also help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we release tension in our bodies and minds, and cultivate a more peaceful state of being. Improves physical health. Gratitude has also been linked to improved physical health, such as reducing symptoms of chronic pain and improving sleep quality. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, gratitude can improve our overall physical well-being. How to practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal. One way to practice gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things that you're grateful for. This practice can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life and cultivate a more grateful mindset. Express gratitude to others. Another way to practice gratitude is to express it to those around you. Take the time to thank someone for their kindness or support, or write a heartfelt thank you note. This practice can help strengthen your relationships and create a more positive social environment. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. By practicing mindfulness, we can cultivate a more grateful mindset and appreciate the present moment. Try taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the things around you that you're grateful for. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help shift our mindset and improve our outlook on life. Try using gratitude affirmations, such as, I am grateful for the abundance in my life, or, I am thankful for the love and support of those around me. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine can help you cultivate a more positive mindset and attract more positivity into your life. Remember to take the time each day to focus on what you're grateful for, and watch as your overall well-being improves. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and subscribe, share with a friend.